Customize your experience. Understanding customized settings. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but crucial concept that you often encounter in the digital world: customized settings. Whether it's your phone, social media, or any application you use, understanding what it means to customize settings is key to making your digital experience truly your own. So, let's break it down together. When we talk about customized settings, we're referring to the process of changing the default settings of a software or application to meet your personal preferences or needs. Customize means to modify or build something to suit a particular individual. Settings, on the other hand, are the options available in a software or application that control how it operates or looks. Together, customized settings is all about making an application work just the way you like it. Customizing settings is crucial for several reasons. First, it enhances your user experience by making the application more comfortable and intuitive for you to use. It also ensures privacy and security, as you can adjust settings to protect your information. Moreover, customizing settings can improve accessibility, making applications easier to use for individuals with specific needs. Finally, it allows for personalization, enabling your digital environment to reflect your personality and preferences. Let's look at some common examples of customizing settings. 1. Social media privacy. Adjusting who can see your posts, who can contact you, and what notifications you receive. 2. Smartphone layout. Changing your home screen layout, theme, or ringtone. 3. Email preferences. Setting up filters, signatures, and auto-replies. 4. Accessibility features. Adjusting font sizes, colors, or enabling voiceover for those who need auditory support. Each of these examples shows how tweaking settings can make your digital tools more aligned with how you live and work. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and meaning of customized settings. Remember, taking the time to adjust the settings on your devices and applications can significantly enhance your online experience, making technology work better for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Until next time, keep exploring and customizing your digital world.